HTML, master semantic tags like header, nav, and footer. For example, create a registration form using HTML. CSS, learn the box model, flexbox, and grid layouts. As an example, design a two-column layout using CSS Grid. JavaScript or JS, understand variables, functions, and DOM manipulation. For instance, write a function to change the background color on a button click. Version control systems, Git and GitHub, learn Git commands and the GitHub workflow. For example, push your first project to GitHub. CSS Frameworks, Bootstrap or Tailwind, CSS. Speed up your design process with CSS Frameworks. For instance, create a responsive navbar using Bootstrap. JavaScript Frameworks, React, Vue, or Angular build dynamic user interfaces. For example, create a simple React app displaying a list of items. पैकेज मैनेजर्स npm या yarn प्रोजेक्ट डिपेंडेंसीज को मैनेज करने के लिए। उदाहरण, npm का उपयोग करके एक रिएक्ट पैकेज इंस्टॉल करें। बिल्ड टूल्स, वेब पैक, बेबल और पार्सल बंडलिंग और ट्रांसपाइलिंग सीखें। उदाहरण, एक प्रोजेक्ट के लिए वेब पैक सेटअप करें। API और AJAX, REST APIs और Fetch API अनुरोध करें। उदाहरण, एक पब्लिक API से डेटा प्राप्त करें और उसे प्रदर्शित करें। State Management Redux or Context API can be used to manage app-wide state. For example, you can use Redux for handling a shopping cart in a React application. Testing tools like Jest and Cypress are essential for unit and end-to-end testing. For instance, you can write a Jest test for a function to ensure it works correctly. Version control workflow. Using GitHub Flow, you can collaborate effectively by utilizing branches and pull requests. For example, create a pull request on GitHub to propose changes to a project. Performance optimization is super important. Lazy loading and code splitting. These techniques help optimize load times. For example, you can implement lazy loading for images to make your site faster. Responsive design is crucial for a good user experience. Media queries. They allow your designs to adapt to different screens. For instance, use media queries to create mobile-friendly layouts. Web security can't be ignored. HTTPS, CSP, and XSS protection are essential to secure your app. For example, implement a content security policy, or CSP, to prevent cross-site scripting or XSS attacks. Progressive web apps, or PWAs, are the future. Service workers. They enable offline-capable web apps. For example, you can convert a site to a PWA using service workers and a manifest file.